I started selling on Amazon in 2014, and I felt like I'd finally found what I was created for. I love the Amazon sales channel because it's location independent. I can work on my business anywhere in the world as long as I have access to the internet.
Before I started selling on Amazon, I felt like I was stuck in my job and in a career that wasn't going anywhere. And I knew that I wasn't passionate about it like I was building my own business. Now, we sell millions of dollars every year of our own products, something that we're building, something we believe in.
We also own a 12,000 square foot warehouse where we ship out thousands of boxes every single month. However, I don't have to show up at the warehouse. We outsource the fulfillment and the work at our warehouse. Hey, this is Andy Stamans from Amazing Freedom. Thanks so much for taking time out and watching this video. Today, I want to share with you how you can get into Amazon's brand registry program in less than 7 days. Why is this so huge? This is a new program Amazon just released a few months ago. Previously, it would take you 9 to 12 months to be able to get into Amazon's brand registry program because you had to go through the typical trademark process, which is a government issued trademark, and you would use a law firm and go through all the typical channels, and it would take 9 to 12 months. Well, Amazon recognized that this was a very long process. They themselves want to push brand registry because they know brand owners like you and I receive a lot of benefits from being in their Amazon brand registry program. So they came out with the program. Are you ready? It's called the IP Accelerator. So if you Google Amazon's brand registry program or Google Amazon IP Accelerator, you'll get a lot of details about it. I'm going to break down a few reasons why you should use it. First, let's talk about the price. So typically, if you go through the channels that we used to go through when we got our trademarks, it's going to cost between $700 and $900. But again, that's a 9 to 12 month process. Right now, we're talking to sellers who have gone through the IP Accelerator, and the price has been from anywhere from $900 to $1,200. And you know what? That's worth every penny. Let's talk about some of the benefits of why you want a trademark and why you want to be in the Amazon brand registry program. Well, the first one right away is it allows you to have A+ content. What is A+ content? Well, when you're looking at a listing and you're scrolling down at the description, you'll see many listings on Amazon that all they have is writing, sentences, right? Just a brief description in paragraph form about their product. And then you'll see some listings with A+ content that pop and look magical because they're full of images, they're full of lifestyle pictures, they're full of images that have call-outs of the benefits and the features, and it just looks a lot more professional. And so that actually helps your listing convert more. So that's one of the basic benefits. It makes you look like a legitimate brand. One of the second benefits is it gives you power to tweak and change your listings. So if you're not in the Amazon brand registry program, your titles, once you create your listing, within a few days, your titles are locked down by Amazon. And anytime you want to add a keyword or change something, you actually have to open up a case with Amazon. But if that listing was created under your Amazon brand registered brand, you have the power and the authority to go in and change your title anytime you want. So that's really good because it helps you pivot, and as your niche changes or as your market grows, it helps you to optimize your listings a lot easier. The second reason is it gives you access to the best customer support on Amazon, and that's Amazon brand registry support. If you've been selling on Amazon any amount of time, you know that sometimes when you have problems or issues and you contact Amazon, you want to poke yourself with needles the entire time that you're talking and being transferred to multiple people trying to troubleshoot your issue. You know what? Amazon brand registry support, at least right now, they can often solve your problem and troubleshoot within a few minutes. They're very responsive. So that's a huge reason, again, why you want to enter into the IP Accelerator program. So if you are serious about building a brand on Amazon, get your trademark, enter into that Amazon IP Accelerator program so that you can get brand registry, not 9 to 12 months like it's taken over the past 10 years, but you can actually get it usually in 7 days or less. Hey, if you like these videos and you find them helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe below, join us in our Facebook group. If you search on Facebook, Amazing Freedom, Leron, Nathan, and myself are in this group on a daily basis, answering many questions from thousands of other successful private label sellers. Make sure to check out all the other videos we have below about all things private labeling and selling on Amazon. On this channel, we're going to show you how you can sell millions of dollars on Amazon too, whether that be from your home, whether it be from the basement of your house, or whether it be from a beach in Tahiti. As long as you have internet access, we have this amazing opportunity to build million-dollar brands, launching them on the Amazon.com marketplace.